During this program, you'll learn a lot about how to be a strong leader in the service community, as well as work hands-on for a few days with local community service leaders. It's also a great opportunity to meet your peers and find your way around Hofstra before the fall semester starts. Service work is incredibly important to me, and it's been a huge part of my life since my childhood. I'm particularly interested in combating food insecurity and promoting sustainable agriculture. Whether you've been interested in community service for your entire life or you're just getting interested in it now, this is an awesome program for you, and it's a great way to explore how you can be better involved in your community.
If you're an incoming freshman and also part of the Hofstra Honors College, this opportunity is truly perfect for you and one that you should definitely take advantage of. To start, it's a perfect transition between high school and college life. For some, it can be intimidating to start college. It's a brand new environment, new people, brand new schedule, but this program will allow you to engage in meaningful and fun activities before classes really start, and it will allow you to acclimate to the college life.
The Service Leader Program is a 5-day program where the first 2 days we introduce ourselves to each other and we learn about the service projects that we will be engaging in, as well as doing team bonding and as well as going on a trip to New York City. The following 3 days are where we do our service projects, where we have done various projects such as working with people with food insecurities, advocating for disabilities, as well as working with homeowner associations. This is my second year in the Service Leader Program. Last year I was a student and this year I am a leader. And the reason why I came back is because of how much of an impact the Service Leader Program had on me. One of the major things that I learned in the Service Leader Program was such as how to service people in the proper way, such as listening to their needs instead of assuming their needs, which I take every day in my current job as a medical assistant and medical scribe.
This program is targeted at first-year students in the Honors College who are interested in continuing to learn and grow in terms of service work and also looking to make a new connection with their community.
I'm going to tell you guys about why I decided to apply for the Service Leaders Program in the first place while I rep my Honors College t-shirt. But I decided to apply for the program because I knew that college would be a huge transition for me, and I wanted to start off college surrounded by like-minded people who also share the same passion for service. Similar to me in high school, I was a co-chair of my township's Youth Leadership Council, where I was very actively involved in promoting youth involvement within our township through stream cleanups and township committees. So I knew that doing a program similar to that before college would make me feel closer to home, and also knew that I would be meeting people who had similar interests as me.
Last year, I worked with Downstate Adapt in order to research laws that had to do with disabilities in New York State for them. And through that work, I really found a different side of service work I hadn't seen before. More of the work that I'd done in the past had been hands-on work in terms of blood drives, volleyball camps, and things like that. So volunteer work kind of took a different turn for me, and it was very interesting to see the different avenues which you can perform service work through, which I thought was really an important part of my experience. We also did some team bonding things in order for everyone to become close to one another within the program. For example, we did a ropes course, and we also took a trip into the city, which are two of the things which I really felt brought me closer to the others I was volunteering with, and it helped me find some of my closest friends even to this day, who I'm continuing to do service work with this upcoming semester. So it's really just an exciting experience, and one that I would definitely recommend to anyone who's even interested in service work and hasn't done a lot of it. Just being able to go out and connect with your community is an awesome experience, and it really changes lives. In my group last year, I was so moved by how impactful it was, and there were tons of other people in my group as well who just really felt the strong emotions with it all, and it really just opens your eyes to a whole new experience which you would never expect to see.